Welcome back to Autoscope. The exterior of the 2026 Audi Motorhome is sleek, aerodynamic, and futuristic. Materials. For energy efficiency, the utilization of robust yet lightweight materials like aluminum alloys and recycled carbon fiber will be a top emphasis. Lighting. The newest all-digital lighting technology with information projection onto the road and customization options will be used for the headlights and taillights. Windows. The body is equipped with large panoramic windows. Doors. Touch sensor-equipped automatic sliding doors that might not have conventional door handles to preserve a sleek appearance. Wheels. Huge, futuristic. Aerodynamic rims that might include a visible regenerative braking system. Interior design. Multifunctional, high-tech, minimalist luxury. Materials. Utilization of high-end, eco-friendly materials such natural wool, recycled wood, vegan leather, and high-quality textile fibers. Kitchen. A simple yet practical kitchen including concealed appliances, integrated sink, pull-out refrigerator, and induction stove. A highly advanced water filtering system might be in place. Interior lighting. Ambient LED lighting that can be changed in intensity and color to produce a range of moods. Adaptive layout. Modular furniture and partition walls that allow the room to be rearranged by folding or moving. Full electric drivetrain BEV, equipped with numerous electric motors. For the electric Quattro drivetrain, this vehicle may be a modified e-tron GT powered by Audi's cutting-edge electric platform. Range. Powered by solid-state battery technology if commercially accessible. This device aims for a very competitive range target, potentially exceeding 600 to 800 kilometers on a single charge. Ultra-fast charging, using high-power DC charging stations, it can charge up to 80% in less than 30 minutes. Maximum ride comfort and the flexibility to raise or lower the car for easier access or parking stability are two benefits of an adaptive air suspension system. Advanced safety systems. The full range of active and passive safety technologies offered by Audi.